What is up, ADG traders? This is Monya, the best boom and crash trader, and in this video we are going to be looking at this 99.99% accurate boom and crash strategy. Yes, you heard me right. This is a super accurate boom and crash trading strategy, and as soon as you finish watching this video, I want you to go and try it out. Now, as you can see, we're currently in a nice trade on Crash 500. We have been buying it ever since, and as you can see, here is my entry point where you see that blue line right there, that blue arrow right there. Let me clear everything else out so that you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about. So right there where I'm pointing with this red arrow, that's where I entered into my buy trade, and as you can see, the market pushed all the way up. And in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can get these types of entries. We're going to be using the indicators that you see on my screen. Some of you might remember this strategy because we have discussed and talked about it before in the previous videos. But if you haven't seen it before, don't worry, I'll still share with you guys the settings for this indicator and also the conditions that have to be met in order to use this strategy correctly. Now we're going to be mainly focusing on our 5-minute time frame. Okay, so these entries, most of them are going to come from our 5-minute time frame, but we can still use higher time frames to confirm our entries. Remember, you can only get correct and reliable information from a very high time frame. So I would urge you to first confirm your market direction or your trend from a very high time frame, and then from the 15 and the 5-minute time frame, you're just looking for entries. You're just entering the market. Okay, so I hope I did set that straight. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to remove all the indicators in that you see right here, and we're going to have a step-by-step process of installing the whole strategy, and then from there I'll obviously look into how do you use it to the best of your advantage. Okay, now, like I always say in every video, a strategy should be able to give you a trend, should be able to help you identify a trend, and also it should be able to help you identify your entry point, and then lastly, of course, you need to have an exit point. So this strategy should be able to give us all three in that order so that we can actually make some trades like this and be profitable. The good part that I like about this entry is it had a very little, almost a zero drawdown. Can you see that this is the only time we went below my entry point? So it had a very small drawdown, and I'm going to help you get that. These is for people that usually over risk, and it will mean that no spike will catch you and destroy you, or no reversal will close your trades before you actually are in profit. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install, let me first remove everything and we can have this process. You can see that nice buy entry, guys. Yes, look at that. Okay, so the first indicator that we're going to install is a moving average. Of course, you guys saw it. So I'm going to go to my indicator section. I'm going to look for the moving average, which is right here, and this moving average will have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 50, so I'm going to change that to 50. We're going to have a shift of 0. The method is exponential, apply to close. There are no levels in this indicator, and on visualization, like I said, we're going to be moving around all time frames, so just keep all time frames for all the indicators that we're going to install. Okay, now on the styling, I'll change this color to red. Okay, then we click done, and as you can see, we now have that red moving average running across our chart. The next indicator then will be our relative strength index, or the RSI, and it is going to have the following properties. For the period of 1, apply to close, and for these important levels that we need to have on our charts: level 10, level 90, level 80, and level 20. Now I've labeled my buy zone on level 10 and my sell zone on level 90. Okay, then I'll click done, and the styling for this one, please just choose the same color as your background. So you can see I've got a white background. That's why you're seeing my RSI is white like that. So if I click done, you'll see that this is what we will have on our charts. Basically, we have got our buy zone and our sell zone, which is level 80 to 90, and nothing else inside our RSI. Okay, so please try and install these settings correctly so that you do not get the wrong information from these indicators. Okay, next we need to add our MACD, but this time we're adding it under our indicator window 1. So I'm going to go to my indicator window 1 and I'm going to look for the MACD right here, and the MACD is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a fast EMA of 12, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 1, apply to close, and on the styling my main is blue and my signal is red, just like that. This is pretty simple, right? Then we click done, and as you can see we now have the MACD down below there. Then last but not least, we need another indicator under our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click on indicator window 1 and we're going to add a moving average. Now this moving average will have the following properties. The period will be changed to 13, the shift will remain as 0, the method is still exponential, apply to close. I'll quickly change this color to a different one, and we're going to put a green color for this one, and that's all for this indicator. And then we simply click done, and as you can see down below we now have a green moving average added out as well. So this is the complete strategy. I think some of you that are always watching the channel can remember this strategy, but today we're taking a different look. Remember, we're trading from our 5-minute time frame mostly, so it is a different explanation for this strategy. Now I'll also be posting these settings in our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. Just click the link and you'll be able to join in that group for free. There are over 7,000 traders in that group, and mainly I post trading materials like your signals, analysis, strategies, my results, my students trading results, everything. You'll be able to see it for free. You'll be able to see how we work and every other trading instrument that we're using to make these trades. So if you want to be part of that trading community, feel free to join. It's completely free. Just click the link and it'll take you straight to our Telegram channel. You'll also be able to see results from our VIP Signals group, where I send analysis each and every single day and trade with my clients and basically downloading money. So if you want to see that as well, feel free to contact us. Like I said, the link will be in our description box below. Okay, so all you have to do is just click the link in the description box and you'll be able to join. Now you guys know that on each and every video that I post, I do give away a free slot in our VIP Signals group, and that person comes from you guys. Basically I pick any of you guys, and to make it easy for me to pick you guys, I just said all you have to do is to make sure that you're a subscriber, you like this video, and you comment down below, and we'll be picking a winner from the comment section. And this time's winner is let's see, I'll put a screenshot on my chat or on the screen so that you guys can see the winner for this VIP promotion. So whoever won can contact us. I'll put the comment right there and you guys can see our winner for this video. Okay, let's move on back to how to use this strategy, how to trade with this strategy. Now you're going to be trading from your 5-minute time frame. Let me first explain this buy trade that we have and how we manage to catch it. Okay, so here's the simple thing that you really need to take note of. You need to take note of the position of the indicators that are in your indicator window 1. Okay, so we're talking about this section. Now when you see your green line, your red line, and your blue bars reaching your buy zone like that, that should be a signal to you that something is about to happen in the market. Now you don't immediately enter. What you do is you immediately mark out the corresponding region on your chart like that. So here down here, it corresponds to this level on my chart, as you guys can see. Maybe let me just correctly place them like that. So that then becomes your peak region. Now once you have identified that that is a possible peak, you don't enter right away. You wait for the market to give you the next confirmation, and the next confirmation is you want to understand and know exactly that price is now going up, and by crossing that red line and closing above that red line, that should be a sign that the market is now in a bullish momentum. So once you have that confirmation, then you can comfortably enter into the market. Now we missed the first time our price closed above the red line. We missed that region, but remember, if this peak down here is the correct peak, if you have done the correct thing in identifying this peak, then it is the correct peak, and the market should always do what it says. So I knew that if this is my correct peak, then I can still get re-entries as we go up, and the re-entry will basically be price to then cross again and be above that red line. And I saw that price crossed again and closed above my red line, which means that that was an opportunity for a re-entry. That was an opportunity for a re-entry, and that's when we actually entered into the market. And can you see the market kept on pushing up and up. Now I'm also going to show you some of the re-entry opportunities that we had. Here was another re-entry opportunity. Here was another one. Here's another one. Here's another. So I could have been adding positions on each and every level that you see right there. Why? Because I have properly identified this peak region, and this was going to be my ultimate stop loss. So this level was going to be my ultimate stop loss that corresponds to my peak level. So if price had decided to cross and go below this region like this, that's when I was going to exit that trade, because that means that my peak would not have been the confirmed peak. Okay, that peak is not the confirmed peak, so that automatically gets me out of the market. Let me look at another example. Okay, we are in profit on Boom 500. This is the trade that I actually posted in our VIP Signals group, but nonetheless, it's the same concept that I'm talking about. You sell when, first of all, you see that the green and red line are in your 80 to 90 level like that, which means you're going to mark a corresponding region on your main chart, and that will be your peak level. I hope you guys are getting the sense. Then you only enter when your price breaks and goes below the red line. Remember, now you want to sell, so it's the opposite from what we're doing on crash. So you can see that we sold right there, and we are in profit, guys. We are in profit. And remember, I would only exit this trade if my price goes and breaks my peak level right there. If it doesn't break, it means I still have so many opportunities to enter into a sell zone. I posted this again in our VIP Signals group, and if you want to be part of it, make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. Don't forget, in that order. Okay, so you can use this to buy, you can use this to sell. As you can see, we looked at both examples of a buy and the example of a sell. Now I don't want to make these videos too long, but I think I will do a part 2. If you guys want a part 2 or further explanation, feel free to comment that as well in the comment section. I hope you're going to try this strategy out on your demo accounts first before moving on to your real accounts, because trading can be very risky and you might want to protect your capital. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to change the chance to win our VIP Signals group for the next 30 days. Now, the winner can send me a message on any of our platforms, and you will be added to our groups. Until next